Hi guys, today we're going to show you how to lift the front of the Lexus GX550 and we will show you the rear jacking points as well. Since we are lifting the front of the vehicle, we will block both rear wheels from both sides. To lift the front we are using the 4,000 pound hydraulic jack. The jacking point in the middle of the vehicle is located right here, this piece of frame. And for the side jacking points, guys, you can find them approximately in this area right here. Again, on the frame, this is where you need to put the jack stands. One on the left and one on the right side, right here. And this way you will be able to lift the front of the vehicle and put it on the jack stands. If you want to lift the back of the vehicle, the jack should be placed right here on the rear axle, where I put my hand right now. For the jack stands, you can use points on the frame again, approximately in this area. There's one on this side, and there's another one on this side, approximately right here. Another way how you can lift the vehicle on the sides now is to put your jack next to your jack stand, and we'll use, guys, this spot on the frame right here. And now we can lower the jack stand and take it out. And now we'll repeat the process on the other side.